Hello everyone, welcome back in the online class of MSc. I am Sandhi Nanda and today I will give you the question answer of chapter number 2. As I already gave the explanation and some exercises of this chapter in previous video. So today I will give the question answers of this chapter. Here is the answer number 1 and the question number 1 is, why did not Ankit heed warnings against his weakness for fast food? It means, why did not Ankit listen the warnings about the fast food? So the answer is, because Ankit simply refused to believe that he was no longer in control of himself. He thinks everybody likes fast food, nothing is wrong with it. So I already told you that Ankit likes fast food very much, and all of their teachers and parents warn them against the or the bad uses of the fast food, but refuses he refuses always and thinks that nothing is wrong with the fast food, so nothing is wrong with it. Now the question number 2 is, what arguments did Ankit make to justify his weakness? Answer: he justified that extra requirement of fats and carbohydrates in growing and physically active adolescents, giving example and data on health statistics from American and European populations. So, what arguments Ankit always gives about his weaknesses? So he said that in young age or in adolescent age, extra requirement of fat and carbohydrate is needed, and American and European population always eats fast food and they never have some diseases. So he gave some arguments like this. Now the question number 3, do you really believe that Ankit was unaware of the health hazards of fast food? Do you really believe that Ankit was unaware of the health hazards of fast food? Answer is no. Ankit was aware about the health hazards of fast food, but he loved gorging on burgers, fries, colas and pizzas. Even then his parents and teachers aware him again and again. Then the next one is question number 4. Question number 4 is, why was Ankit's father disappointed with him? Because even beyond their cautioning on his unhealthy junk food habits, he was finally suffering from mild heart attack. So why Ankit's father was disappointed with him? Because again and again her mother and he aware him about the demerits of fast food, but he is gorging on the colas and burgers again and again, and the result of that is that he is having mild heart attack. So his father was disappointed with him. Now the next one is question number 5. Do you think that the minor cardiac problem that Ankit had really a blessing in disguise? How so? It means minor heart attack problem is good for him or not? Yes, it is good for him. How? If how much quantity he is eating the fast food, it can be measured, but this heart problem is only minor, so it will be a blessing for him. It is a minor heart attack, not a major heart attack. So yes, the minor cardiac problem that Ankit has really a blessing in disguise, because Ankit had learned 2 lessons that day. One, accept your weakness and shortcomings readily and consciously, and 2, the earlier you begin to make efforts to overcome them, the better it will be for you. So these are the question answers of the chapter number 2. So in holiday homework you have to learn these 2 chapters, chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, and also you have to complete this question answer work in your notebook and the exercises part in your book. Till then, thank you. Stay safe and healthy at your homes.